my destination. Was hoping that I'd get some good news. No, I didn't. But yeah, I'm walking. Never have I ever been inside a Dunkin' Donut. Here we go. Trying out Dunkin' Donuts for the first time. I mean, technically, this is just a wrap, not a donut, but I'm not having anything sweet. And somebody recommended the coffee to me as well. So, yeah, let me try that as well. This is good. It's a wrap. It's good. For the coffee. It's not bad. It's not bitter, so that's good. It's not sweet because I'm trying to stay away from sweet, so that's good. Thanks for the recommendation, man. Yeah, but I definitely do this again. Like this would have been a safe option when it comes to something like this. First time waiting on a lift. I've never used Lyft or Uber before, so I'm waiting on my lift to bring me to the other half of Guyana Brain. Ooh, that's a nice pickup. Truck. Oh, police them. Oh, the second police let me see I stop one vehicle from me there. Kind of feel nice though, like, yeah, the sky look crazy, gloomy and shit, but I love this. We take this over the sun hat all day, every day. She run me. She teach me how to use the elevator.
Yeah, I didn't want to be in here.
So open it back.
Bye.
Later.
Next day.
Hey, we are going for breakfast. Yeah, this is the first update since I got here yesterday, but you don't really understand how good relaxation is until you have relaxation. Yeah, so I headed to breakfast, I'll show you what I did.
I need your muscles.
Breakfast. Bagel bean on the thingy. Yeah.
Breakfast. What is it? The gentleman and the lady.
It's raining right now where we are, which is the beautiful state of Maine. And
City of
breakfast.
what is
Yeah.
the city?
Portland.
South Portland.
So we're gonna have breakfast, and then the aim is that today we're gonna do something that, well, at least I've never done before. She hasn't done it here, but I've never done it in general. So let's see how that goes. Almost done. We are almost done. All done. I mean, I won't still have something in it, but all done. I don't want that, but all done.
Bye.
Okay, trying out one of these massaging chairs for the first time. Yeah, there are a few settings that I do not like. Right now, I don't know if I can see something behind my head and something behind my shoulder. It need me like flower. It's not sure that it need me like flower. But it's alright, I guess. There's a foot section. I am not a fan of the foot section, but aside from that, yeah, it's fine, I guess. It's like an advanced lazy boy, which I think every man fi have a lazy boy in them. Not them house, for them personal lazy boy. Alright, so checking out from the hotel room. I don't know how dark this is, but it is what it is. Checking out from the hotel room. Ready? You have both keys? Oh, mine is in my pocket. The sweater pocket. But yeah, checking out from the hotel room. Hey, if you know, you know. Yeah, we are now about to board a lift to go somewhere. Oh, I did say it earlier in the video. So, yeah, don't we see? Don't we see?
None.
Yeah. Yeah. Is this it? Thank you. Left. I'd say left. Right. I'm sorry. Right. I don't even know where we're going. Going that way. All right. So we wanna face that way. Thank you. Right here's good. Wait, no. Where's the window? Windows. Yeah, there's one up there. Go. There's actually one right at the front. Huh? Oh, okay. I get you. Alright, this is what it is. Just like that, we are on one winner. Again, first time for me on the train. Such an amazing view of a cemetery. Yeah.
And it's still going. Wow.
So we sat down and I said, oh gosh, these seats in a plane would be nice, so much leg room, all these things, blah blah blah. We booked business class just for the experience, and it really and truly didn't cost that much at all. And yeah, it was a business class. And oh, yeah, business class, all right. They came to, we checked our boarding pass. I was like, up there, so go further forward, go through the cafe to get to business class. So we never did in our business class. We did dinner. And it was very comfortable. Yeah. So we have even more space now. We got the seat at the front and thing. Yeah. A better window, to be honest. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
It's what it is. And we just passed out the lake type of thing. It's cool. Wish we had a camera outside at one time. Thank you. We are at our first stop. Yeah, this is the Wells Transportation Center. So MX doing vertical video. Yeah. We're at the Wells So we have one more stop, so we're taking another lift to get to where we need to get to. But yeah. How was the train ride?
It was good.
It was comfortable. Funny enough, the coach seats were actually more comfortable than the business class seats, which, yeah.
It's just that with business class, if you realize there are less seats, so naturally you would have less people.
Yeah,
in
and
that
I don't
section.
recall seeing like a plug to charge your phone. I don't recall seeing that in coach.
Yes, it's there.
It's there? Okay,
Yes,
see?
there.
So,
So they have that. The only thing is, or one of the benefits that we can take advantage of is that you can get a drink. You get a non-alcoholic drink.
Yeah.
You were saying we had enough time. Yes, we had time. We could
but
have
when it was
grabbed
nothing
it
just now, I
and
didn't
go.
think so,
Yes.
but okay.
So you get that free or included. You get extra leg room. Your seat can recline, even though maybe coach can recline too. I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, it wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad.
And the
But
fact
the
that
good
we
thing
got the
is-
front seats.
Yeah, front
so
seats.
we kind of got like 1.5 space window, as opposed to being down in coach. It was just one window per, regardless of which row which seat is at.
Yeah. So, now we wait on what was it, Uber?
We're waiting on
To get to the next place that we're going, and then that's kind of it for the day until we get something to eat and then we depart our separate ways momentarily. Momentarily. What just happened?
momentarily.
Yeah. He's coming. Yeah, he's right there. Oh? You cold? Here's our lift. Get up. Now we're good. It looks big, but it's not. Good day.
The design. Master the breeze. Right now.
Again, you have a hoodie.
It's not going the other direction they come from.
Alright, guys. Guys. We are in Kennebunk. I have something that we need for, well, I need to get taken care
But
of.
dear, we've been the travel.
Yeah. So, we're just here right now. We're gonna do a few walk around and
We're gonna run some errands,
Yeah.
do some walk around, get something to eat, and then head on back home.
I'd
and
love
it's
to.
raining.
Yeah, I'd love to show like the sights of the place, but rain. Yeah. The fact that we just really love plants.
I think this one is
Don't have that much
type of sage.
sage. Okay. Yeah.
I know it's funny.
I hate the smell like the weed. What would they smell? So we don't walk and we get that strong smell of weed like, oh.
Kind of smell like it's going.
Uh-huh. And then Dairy Queen, this is gonna be our little stop to get something to eat. Well on. Hold on. Is this just a drive-through? So to provide an update.
That's the DP, the drive through. And I order and that's it. You don't have no inside of the building to go.
No drive-through, no inside the building for the DP, it's just a drive-through.
Building to go. And
Somebody let me tell us in order your food from early.
did not order that.
Okay. When
Not
they
back
get
to our
Alright, I'm about to begin. What was this again? This was barbecue pork sausage. Like noodles. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, the beans those are the
Yep. A lot of greens is exactly what I want in my diet right now.
sound. Scampi tonight, shrimp tonight, squid wings tonight, squid wings, onion, cilantro. Thank you.
Okay. So we're sleeping today. We're sleeping today.
Four today.
I don't know where this is. So where they go? This is the end of the video and the end of our day together.
That's wild.
Yeah, we work a little distance apart, and the transportation between
Not
is
so
kind
reliable,
of
my
yeah.
love.
So that's why yesterday we go on so much vehicle or trips a while ago.
Yeah.
I went on 2 different vehicles yesterday, with reason, of course. But
Yes.
yeah, we're not super close, and then we are
Still better than being country apart.
yeah country apart. So yeah, we're both in America working and working at different locations. But we made today the day to, well, yesterday and today, day to meet up, spend some time together because things are about to get busy.
If you know, you know.
Yeah, so yeah, we just had to make the most of the day, spend a little bit of money.
Little bit,
Money! But it was necessary.
yeah.
Don't regret it
None at all.
at all.
At all.
Now we go back to our abode.
Yeah, to
Yeah.
you guys.
Yeah. If you stay till the end, thank you so much. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Life with Yan and Ren. And we'll do our best to keep 1 and 2 videos coming.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Oh, look on that tree there. Like, this tree is aged.
I don't even think the camera.
Yeah, you're probably not sure,
Can,
but yeah, some little
like,
green or something.
Any justice.
Yeah, man, the tree is aged. But
Aged.
totals.